Hi guys, it's Jenny, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I really wanted to just sit down and play around with different makeup, create kind of like a different look to anything that I've done before. A few weeks ago Nikki Tutorials posted a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'll put the picture up, and I fell in love with it. I love the colours and just like the style of it. It's like a halo cut crease kind of thing, and I've never tried anything like that before. So as soon as I saw that, I knew that I wanted to kind of recreate it a little bit, so that's what I tried to do in this video. It's definitely nowhere near as good as Nikki's, but gave it a go and I quite like how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I don't know. So yeah, this video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. So before I start the video, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Lippy for sponsoring this video. So Lippy are actually a monthly subscription box service where you get branded lipsticks delivered to your door every single month, which is pretty darn cool. Some of the brands include NYX, Rimmel and other brands that you may not have heard of before, so it's a great way to try out new lipstick brands and new lipstick shades, because on the website when you sign up for the subscription they let you put in your skin tone, and then they hand pick the lipstick shades based on your skin tone and based on what they think would suit your skin tone, which is so cool, because when I buy lipsticks I tend to just go towards the like nudes and the pinky nudes. I don't really try many other shades, like any darker shades definitely, so I think it's really cool. And I'm not very good with knowing what lipstick shades suit my skin tone, so that's pretty cool that they handpick them out for you. So in the box you will always receive 3 beauty products with a minimum of 2 lipsticks, and some months you may even get 4 items, which is even better. So Lippy is £21 a month, but with my code Jenny50 you can get 50% off of your first box. I'll leave the code and the link to the website in the description box if you want to go check it out. They currently ship to the UK and US, so yeah, go check them out. I'll leave the link in the description for you along with my code. And yeah, let me know if you sign up to them and try out any of their lip products. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and let's just get on into the video. Okay, so sliced my thumb open before this video, but let's not talk about it. But I'm just going to start off with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and just use that to conceal my eyelids. And then just blending it all out with a damp sponge. And then to set it, I'm just going to take the MAC Prep and Prime Loose Powder. So going into the Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to take this shade right here and just blend that into my crease with a really fluffy brush and bring it up quite high. Then I'm going to take this darker shade and blend that more into the crease and keeping it in the crease, but taking it quite high because we're doing a cut crease and I have hooded eyelids, so I have to take it up quite high. But just taking this blue shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and packing that on the inner and outer corners. And then of course giving it a little blend into the crease. Then I'm just going to take this like orangey shade and just blend that on top of the transition shades to add a little bit of warmth to it. And then I just felt like going over it with some purple, so I'm just putting some purple over the blue. Then I'm going to take the black in the palette, and with a really small fluffy brush I'm just going to put that right on the outer and inner corners just to add a little bit of depth to the look. Then going back in with my concealer, I'm going to take a really small brush, and what I like to do with cut creases is put a little bit in the middle and then look up, and then that will transfer and to the top of your eyelid so you know where to cut it. And I'm just going to lightly set that with some powder. So then I'm going to take this Makeup Geek Duochrome eyeshadow in the shade Blacklight and just spraying some Fix Plus onto my brush. I'm going to pack that onto the centre of my eyelid. I absolutely love this shade. It is so pretty and I really don't use it as much as I should, but yeah, it looks stunning. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more of that blue shade and just help blend out the edges of the middle shade. So going onto the face, I'm going to prime it using the L'Oreal Lumi Magique primer and just going to blend that into my skin using a brush like I normally do. And then for foundation, I'm going to take my absolute favourite foundation at the moment. It's the Stilla Aqua Glow foundation, and oh my goodness, this stuff is amazing. It's like the perfect coverage, the perfect finish. I freaking love it at the moment. But then I'm just going to conceal my under eyes using that Colourpop concealer once again, and of course blending it out using a damp sponge. And I think I'm just setting that using the same MAC loose powder, but then I'm going to set my entire face using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, because what other powder do I use? Then to bronze up my face, I'm going to take this Too Faced bronzer and just, yeah, bronze up my face. Just taking it on my cheeks and around my hairline. And I do take it on my neck as well. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is another one of my favourite products right now. I love this blush, it's so pretty. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Nars Albotros highlight. I rarely use this because it's pretty intense, but I thought it was perfect for this look. So yeah, I'm just highlighting all the usual areas of my face. So moving back onto the eyes, I'm going to take that blue shade that we use and just using a pencil brush, putting that on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend that out slightly using that shade right there. And then I'm going to take the Urban Decay eyeliner in Sabbath, I believe it's called, and just line my waterline. And then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then that's the face finished. Oh no, wait, I do highlight my inner corners and my brow bone just using that Nars highlighter. But moving on to the lips, I'm going to take this NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Cans, I think, which is a shade you might receive in your lippy box, which is pretty cool. But I just put on like the tiniest bit of this and then realised it was too dark, so I go over it with the Kylie gloss in So Cute, and I really like how they looked together. I think they looked really, really nice. But yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I hope you're all having a lovely week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!